Alrighty, here's my CB base antenna. It's a Sirio Tornado 27. Excellent antenna, excellent receive, excellent transmit. Very, very, very low SWR, 1.1 across all 40. Here's the ground for the antenna. I have it bolted directly to the pole right here, which is in the ground about 20 inches deep, and it's concreted in there. I concreted that in the ground so it's real solid. And I used some real heavy duty ground braid there. I've got it going to a 10-foot ground rod, copper ground rod, 10 foot, all the way in the Nevada desert dirt there. That was quite a challenge pounding that in there. I used a fence post driver to get it most of the way in. But anyways, if you're in the market for a new CB base antenna, I highly, highly recommend you take a look at this Sirio Tornado 27. It's a great, great antenna in my opinion and my experience. Thanks for watching, guys.